How to fix GCash App Error OT50. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. In this tutorial video, I'm here to guide you on how to fix GCash App Error OT50 in simple way. Do watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe for more tech and tips videos. First of all, you need to tap and hold GCash app, tap App Info. Now on this page, you have to simply tap Storage Users and make sure to clear cache and data, tapping on each option. Come back, tap Battery Uses, and here tap Force Stop. Once done, come back to the same page. Make sure to allow all the permissions of this application. If this is not allowed, you need to tap one by one and tap Allow button in the similar way. Once done, tap Manage Notifications and then allow all the notifications on this application. Tap Open by default and toggle on button for open supported links. Once done, finally you have to check for the updates. Open Play Store, and if there is any update of GCash while searching it, tap on Update button to clear all the glitches by updating the application. Lastly, restart the device and then successfully you'll fix the GCash App Error OT50 issue. Thank you for watching.